Can you imagine just a little over 12,000 miles on a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 1LT Coupe? Well, that is this car. 12,456 miles. It is a beautiful black on the exterior, has the ebony interior, beautiful glass top, and under the hood, 405 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed, yes, manual transmission. What fun this car is going to be to drive. Now, factory features include the Z51 Performance Handling Package, competition gray wheels, CD MP3 stereo, power driver seat, HID headlights, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, has that electric rear hatch pull down, fog lamps, power windows, of course everything's power on this car. It has ABS, tilt, cruise control, traction control, and active handling. We always like to say this next line, it comes with a clean Carfax, and it also features, as we said, that desirable 6-speed manual transmission. Now, this 2006 Corvette Z51 shows just 12,456 miles. Great low mileage, beautiful car, and it is in nice condition. The car's paint is good, very good. It has a great shine. The glass top looks absolutely beautiful. It's very good, as are the factory competition gray wheels. Now, please note that this car will come with brand new tires. So it's set and ready to go. So much about this car to like. The interior of this Z51 shows very good factory leather seats, steering wheel, door panels, very good to excellent center console. Now, the only addition to this car appears to be a Borla axle back performance exhaust. This car features corrosion-free subframe, has been fully serviced, all instrument gauges, lights, turn signals, brakes, engine, transmission, rear end, they're all in good operating condition. Remember, don't ever assume that this is an average condition Corvette when it's on a Buy-A-Vet showroom floor, because we specialize in hand-picked Corvettes. So give one of our sales representatives a call today at 770-414-5552. They can help you with this car. Remember, Buy-A-Vet.net, we have made a business out of selling cars online. So it's something you can do with ease. More importantly, you can do it with confidence, and we can deliver this car to your driveway in the United States much less expensive than you can ever imagine. So check out the pricing on this car and see other fabulous photos right down below in the link below this video. And subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a call. Buy-A-Vet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.